Well, sir, we had a pile of rain as forecasted. Every bit came and more. I think we had about 2 inches or 50 millimeters or whatever. It's just kind of devastated the snow. I'm guessing we lost half of our snow. We didn't have a lot to start off with. Maybe even upwards to 70% of it in some places. I mean, usually when I cut wood, this would all be a blanket of snow, and you pick out your trees and start cutting. But now, like, that's ground right there. That's goldwood there. That's only inches off the ground. Luckily I found this bunch of wood that wasn't too hard to get at, but I tell you, she's a rough go. You guys ask me a lot about what kind of wood I burn. This is spruce, some fir mixed in with it. So this is an old burn from 2013. I actually helped fight this fire. It went on for weeks and it burned a lot of country, but made it good for burning wood. We do have a lot of forest, so, but it makes it hard for trying to pick in around the snags and stuff, like right here. And I had to open this spot here, so you're just kind of picking along, you know? You're banging off stumps and sticks, and it's hard on the machine. Now, I haven't said that it has its bonuses, because you can cut right to the ground. You're not losing any stump, you know, and it's easy for us to have 3 or 4 feet of snow in the woods, and you lose all that when you cut, you know. Here you can see the normal level of snow. The best part of the tree gets left behind lots of times. So you are maximizing an extra 3 or 4 junks off of every stick, and that adds up, especially when it's bigger, you know. I'm in a completely different area. I couldn't even get to where I cut my regular wood up my wood path, and I can't put on my sled extension and double up the sled because I'll just beat everything up. So I'm taking relatively light loads, although like this sleigh load here would probably be about a week's worth of burning, so it's not bad. As soon as I get back today, I gotta head up to my winter tent, and I'm almost scared, to be honest with you. I don't know what I'm going to expect, because what happened was we had that 2 inches of rain, and it came really fast, and it warmed up, and then it flash froze. So I'm hoping it didn't collapse. So my plan today is haul home 3 or 4 loads of wood like this for the day, and then I'm gonna head up to the tent and have a look, see what I gotta face. Well, she's still standing, boys. She's still standing. I wonder, is it all... No, I thought it might have been all one chunk of ice, but it's not. Oh. That is wicked, guys. That is awesome. Now you know, 2 inches of rain, don't matter. Wow. Oh. I'm pretty excited over stuff like that, you know, because you know, you learn a lot just by trying something like that. I honestly didn't know if this would just be like flattened to the ground or what would happen to it, but it seems to be just fine. It's a little bit stiff there, but not too bad. Not sure how the zipper is gonna feel. No, it's fine. There we go. Let's get some light in here. Lots of frost on the inside. Lots of frost. But overall, she's perfect. Get a little fire going in here now and she'll just melt that right off. I had a lot of questions regarding this pole here. That's the pole you got to put in there to keep the weight from the snow from pushing your roof down. Extremely important. And I keep forgetting a can from my chimney to keep the snow out of my stove. So I think I'll just turn this kettle upside down. This will work just fine. Now in most cases the chimney is always too high for you to reach. So again, you improvise. And there you go. And just like that, no snow down the chimney for next time. You know what? Change of plans. Rael's in for Christmas, and I think I'll go back and get the girls and we'll come up and we'll have some brunch. She's all dried off again. Well guys, that's a wrap. The tent is all toasty and dry and ready for the next video. Not quite sure what the next adventure will bring. Tune in to see what unfolds, and on to the next video. Take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed. Get outside. Get outside. And enjoy everything outdoors. I think Dale Clements does a lot better job at that than me. Get outside.